It's legal to sell anything you want that's not overtly dangerous, so long as you don't claim that it is intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or illness. And that's how billions of dollars of worthless supplements are sold every year. They usually claim that their product has wellness benefits, but in order to avoid running afoul of the law, they leave these claims uselessly vague, saying that their product restores balance, builds the blood, boosts the immune system, restores vitality, or some other claim that's medically meaningless, but that sounds reasonable to an uncritical layperson. When a product does have merit and warrants FDA approval, this merit is established through a process called the randomized controlled trial, more commonly called a clinical trial. Now, a clinical trial is a very special process. It's very different from the way most alternative products demonstrate their effectiveness, which is through personal testimonials and studies. Spend 5 minutes browsing through Wikipedia and congratulations, you've just completed a study. Spend 2 minutes rubbing your chin thoughtfully and looking at the sky and you've just completed a study. You can now legally sell your product with the claim, "Studies show that this product will repolarize your energy fields." Not good enough for the FDA. To conduct a randomized controlled trial, a statistician will select a sample size large enough to produce a significant result. Care must be taken that the test subjects are properly representative of the target population and not tainted by selection biases that might skew the results. The subjects are blinded, knowing as little as possible about what's being tested. They are randomly and blindly assigned to one of several groups. There may be a group that will receive the treatment being studied, a group receiving an established treatment, and always at least one control group receiving a control or placebo treatment. Test administrators are also blinded. This is called double blinding, such that they don't know what group each subject is assigned to, and whenever possible, they also don't know what the treatment is that they are administering. Everything is coded to avoid experimenter bias and to cancel out any effects like patients trying to respond the way they feel the experimenters want them to. The trial lasts long enough to satisfy the statisticians and the scientists. Finally, when the results are tabulated by a blinded statistician, this is called triple blinding, we get the results. The cloaks of anonymity are whisked aside, and we finally learn for a statistical certainty which treatments are effective and which are not. When this process shows significant benefits for a new treatment, and the trial can be repeated by other experimenters and yields similar results, then and only then do scientists say that this is a product that works and is supported by evidence.